How to sell your GoDaddy domain. So the first thing that we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right corner, and then go into My Products. Now here we will find the domain which we want to list or sell right here, and just click on Manage. Now this will load up a new page, and from the left hand side we want to select domain, and it's going to show us this one, so you can see this option, list for sale. Once we select it, it's going to load up a new page which will give us an estimate of what we can sell this domain for. So $26. If we click on get started, we will have to set the buy now price. So I'm just going to repeat what they told me. So $26. List price must be more than 50. All right, well, in that case, $50. And we could also add a for sale page. And after you have set this, you can just click on publish listing and you will be notified once somebody buys your GoDaddy domain. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.